1.
Standalone or override. Object. Pick the object you want to edit. Customize it.
2.
Warehouse. Object definition. Copy tuning name. Extract tuning. Paste. Add to package. Click object tuning. Data. Edit name. Copy the new name. Click object definition. In tuning, paste. Do this to all object definitions.
3.
Click object tuning. XML. Search for super affordance. Pick a name you want to edit. Copy its number. Tools. Extract tuning. Paste. Add to package. Click interaction tuning. Data. Edit name. Copy tuning ID. Click object tuning. XML. Replace the number. Locate all with previous number. Replace them.
4.
Tools. Hash generator. Add a name. Copy FNV32 number. Click top flag. Edit items. Add. Paste in key. Write the new interaction name. Click interaction tuning. Locate display name. Paste number after 0x. Tools. Modding. Copy string to all languages.
Bonus!
In interaction tuning, locate display tooltip. If it doesn't have tooltip, paste this under display name.
Find that in the description.
Hash gen, make name, copy, flag, edit items, add, paste, rename. Paste it in XML. Done.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.